Today we will learn the Arabic vowel. These signs tell us how to pronounce a letter. There are 3 short vowels and 1 sign called Sukoon. Now, let's go. We start with Fathah. This is what we call Fathah. It is at the top of alphabet. You can see it. When letter has Fathah, open your mouth slightly and say ah. That is the sound of that letter. Here are the examples. You can see this is ba on right. It has Fathah. It will be ba. You can see it. We write it. It will be ba. Then ta on also here has Fathah. It will be ta. Ta. Now here is Kasrah. Kasrah make the sound E. When a letter has Kasrah, say E. It will be E. Like this, you can see Ba'un at an example. Ba'un has Kasrah. You can see it is at the down of the alphabet. Ta Ba'un Kasrah. B. You can see it here. B. B. Ta'un Kasrah. It will be T. T. Here is Dammah in this category. Dammah. Dammah make the sound U. Dammah, the sound is U. When a letter has Dammah, round your lip and say U. And say U like this. U. U. Round your lip and say U. Ba'un Dammo Bu. You can see it here. Ba'un Dammo Bu. Ta'un Dammo Tu. Ta'un Dammo Tu. Now, here is Sukoon. Sukoon has 2 ways of writing it. Round like this or like this. You can see it. Now, Sukoon mean stop or rest. There is no vowel sound. There is no vowel sound after the letter. There is no vowel sound after the letter. Example, here are the examples. Ba'un, you can see this Ba'un has Sukoon. It will be B, 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 B. You can see it. And Ta'un has Sukoon also. You can see it. It will be T. Like we say, let me search example with words. Like I say, and you can see the Nun that is there, and has the Sukoon. Anta, 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 anta. You can see it. Anta. The Nun there has Sukoon. Now, here is Tanween. We call it Fatahatan. We call it in Nigeria Fatahateni. Now, you can see it. This is the up one. Then 2, there are 3 in the section. This gives the sound and it gives the sound and you can see it. Now, these are examples. Ba'un Fatahatan. Ba'un Fatahatan. Ban. You can see it. Ban. Ban. Ta'un Fatahatan. Tan. Tan. Ta'un Fatahatan. Tan. Now, here is the Kasrah of it. This gives the sound in these are examples. This we call it Kasrateni or Kasratan. Ban Kasrateni bin. You can see it. Ban Kasrateni bin. Tan Kasrateni tin. Now, this is Tanween Dammah. Dammatan or Dammateni. Now, you can see the example. This gives the sound un, un. Now here are the examples. Ba'un dammateni, ba'un dammateni, bun, ba'un dammateni, bun, ta'un dammateni, tun, ta'un dammateni, tun. This alphabet, this vowel now that is like W, we call it Shaddah. And Shaddah mean the letter is pronounced twice, 2 times. Shaddah mean the letter is pronounced twice. You hold the letter slightly longer and straight it, like stress the letter when you want to call it. You hold the letter slightly longer and stress it. Now, these are example. Ba'un shadda, ba'un shadda, fata'a, ba'un shadda, fata'a, ban. You can see bam, ba'un shadda, fata'a, ban, ta'un shadda, fata'a, ta, tan, ta'un shadda, fata'a, tan. You can see it, tan. And in word, now these are example of shadda in words for better understanding. Ra'un fatha ra, ban shadda fatha ba, rabb. You can see it, rabb. This is the shadda. Don't mind my writing. This is the shadda, rabb, rabb. Tha'un domo thu, mishra fatha ma, thumma, thumma, thumma. You can see like we are calling this mimun twice. Thumma, thumma. You can see it's thumma. This is Thumma. Thumma, thumma. Sandomothu, mishra fatama. Thumma, rabba, rabba, rabba. You can see it. Very simple. Now, yeah, next one. This is madda. Madda asli, which mean natural madda, and some people call it alfun sagira. Now, you see, this is the madda here. You can see ba on here. There is the madda. Ta on here. This is the madda. Madda mean stretching the sound. When you call the alphabet, you can stretch the sound. Stretch for 2 to 3 counts. Now, alif, you can see it. That's what we call alifun madda. This is what we call alifun madda. Bam fatha ba bi alif madda ba. Bam fatha ba bi alif madda ba. You can see it. Bam fatha ba bi alif madda ba. Tam fatha ta bi alif madda ta. Tam fatata bi alf madda ta. Now we just bring out the example of alif madda now. Now this is ya'un madda, ba'un kasrah bi, ya'un sukun, ya'un maddiya bi, ba'un kasrah bi, ya'un maddiya bi. You can see it. Stretch it 2 counts. Ba'un kasrah bi, ya'un maddiya bi, ta'un kasrah ti, tan kasrati yawm maddiya ti, tan kasrati yawm maddiya ti. Now here's the last example in this part. You know that we have alif maddiya, wa maddiya, and ya maddiya. Now this is wa maddiya. Now we have alifun and ya'un. This is wa now. Ba'un domo bu, wow maddiya boo. You can see it. Don't forget, this is natural madda. Bandomo bu bi wow maddiya boo. You can see it. Tandomo tu wow maddiya tu. So in conclusion, in this aspect, when we see a madda letter, each letter that has a madda, we stretch the sound for 2 counts. Now here is maddi wajib, wajib mutasil. When a madda letter is followed by hamza in the same word, you can stretch it 4, 5, 6 to 7 times. Sorry, 4 to 5 times. Example, ja'a, ja'a, ja'a. You can stretch it 4 to 5 times. Ja'a. I hope you understand what is the meaning of madda or maddi. Yes, it is a vowel where you elongate an alphabet. Ja'a. Like this one now. As-samai, as-samai, as-samai. Like in Quran. As-sama'u munfatirun bi. I cannot remember the exactly ayah now, but as-samai, as-samai. A madda letter followed by hamza in the same word is maddi wajib mutasil. That is maddi wajib mutasil. Each madda that is followed by hamza, this is what we call hamza. This alphabet is called hamza. You can see it. Then anywhere you see it, you can stretch the alphabet 4 to 5 times. Don't forget, we are still in madda or maddi. Now this is maddi jaiz munfasil. Maddi jaiz munfasil. When the madda letter is at the end of one word and hamza is at the beginning of the next word, like this is the example. When the madda is at the end of one word and hamza is at the beginning of the next word, this is where you apply maddi jaiz munfasil. This is the example. Kasrah fiha uskun fi al-fatah. This is the hamza I'm telling you. Hamza fatah abinun uskun an fi an fambomofu. Sinkiswa sika fambomoku. Mim uskun kum fi anfusikum, fi anfusikum. Yeah, an. This is alifun, but this alifun here represents hamza. Fi anfusikum, fi anfusikum. Here's the next example. Inna inna a'tainaka, inna this is the example of it. Inna a'tainaka, inna a'tainaka. The madda letter hamza are in separate word. You can see toinaka. Don't forget that we are still in madda. Now, yeah, this one is maddi lazim. This is the strong madda or maddi wajib. This madda, you can stretch it 6 times. Here are the examples. Dolin. You can see the madda here. Dolin. See my hands counts. Dolin. Dolin. Then the second example, al-an, al-an, al-an. So maddi lazim must always be stretched 6 counts, always 6 counts. Now we are done with madda. Now here is qalqala. You can see the alphabet. Qafun, ta'un, ba'un, jimun, dalun. They call it kutubu jidda. Kutubu jidda. This is qalqala. Now the way these alphabets work, when these letters have Sukoon, I'm sure you know Sukoon, right? This is Sukoon, 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 or like this. This is Sukoon. When this alphabet has Sukoon, the sound bounce or echo slightly. The sound bounce or echo slightly. Let me give you example. Like one of my video, I did example about this. Let us say subhan. You can, that sub has Sukoon, right? And it is part of this alphabet, that is ba'un. We can say subhan, and this qalqala has 3 different stage. Inshallah, in our next lesson we can talk about that one, but for now we are done here. If you like, you can subscribe. Thank you for watching.